To be honest with you, I didn't know I had a roof problem until someone rang my doorbell and said, you know, you have storm damage. And I said, what storm? And he explained that there were a couple of shingles. I said, oh, well, I'm busy cooking dinner. Give me your card. Anyway, I went online and this is what I saw. And I didn't call anyone else. No one else came over but Tony. When Tony came to explain the product that Klaus puts out, and when Tony said that, you know, the insurance will probably help out with some of that bill, I never even thought of that. He's a great salesperson, and it's a great company with great materials, so that's easy. I thought they'd be here until 5 or 6 o'clock, and I was feeling so bad because we knew what the weather was going to be a couple of days ago. That Wednesday was going to be the hottest, and I thought, oh, they're probably canceling. Probably their men aren't going to be able to work during the heat and stuff. And they said, no, they were coming, and they came on time. They had it all covered, and you see I have quite a few bushes out back and all. Very pleased with that. And I did today, the hottest day of the season, put a Klaus on my house. Yes, and I'm very happy about it. They did a great job.